Go ahead, call it a crumbback, as the famous cupcakery reopens. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60. It was terrible news to kick off the summer when we heard Crumb's Bake Shop went under and closed all locations in July. But it's back, under new management, and is introducing some new products to make it up to us. Crumb's reopened in New York City just months after breaking hearts across the country when all locations were shuttered. Over the next 30 days, more locations will open in other major cities too. And it's all thanks to Marcus Lemonis, host of The Profit. Apparently, being a savior for businesses in trouble is not just an act. He really did it. And bakers will be churning out more than just cupcakes. You can expect cookies, ice cream, and their own version of the cronut called the Crumb Nut. And they're taking on another hybrid called the Baissant, which I guess is what happens when a bagel and a croissant get too close. Perfect timing too, because now that summer's over, we can enjoy our crumbs without worrying about what we look like on the beach. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.